Right, Modern Horizons 2, highly anticipated, quite good set. So set boosters, as we said, we prefer the experience. So yeah, let's check this out. Right, art, land, yeah. Ooh, mythic rare, Chatterfang, Squirrel deck. Ooh, 2 mythic rare, Kabakofas. We start with a bang. Wow. Right. Acolyte. Yeah, that is a great start. Yeah, quite pleased with that. Let's put a couple of color coffers. Yeah, I was surprised they put it as a mythic rare. It's probably because of value. Okay, let's hope we can keep the momentum going. Alright, first fetch land. Blue and red, personally my favorite. So yeah, again, great find. Fold monitor. Oh, Bond Shredder. That brings back memories. Very long time ago. Oh, nice. Out of time. Foil. Not bad. Golden Time. Definitely deserves. Protection. Right. Yeah, this set is, yeah, I mean, as demonstrated by these 2 booster packs, but yeah, this is a great set, I think. It was designed by 4 Magic the Gathering experts, can't remember the names, but it's been hailed by a lot of people that are normally critical of all these new, like, Masters-like expansions. Let's see. Sanctum Weaver for the enchantment deck. Okay, just want to write in this one and a card from the list. Not all packs can be bangers, but we'll take it. Or forests. I think mainly forests. Yeah, uncommon, uncommon. Ooh, it's pretty good. Wow. 5, 6, 7 uncommons. Ooh, that's pretty good. Yeah, it's pretty good. Both the card and the value as well. Arcane of Cruelty. Oh, this also takes me back. So that's pretty odd. Right, 2 commons. 1, 2, 3, 6, 8 uncommons and 1 mythic rare. Yeah, set boosters for you. Okay. Just for info, I've bought this booster box at £224. So not the cheapest, but the value, as you can see, is quite amazing. Right, Island for a change. Enchantment deck again. All right, yeah, it's pretty normal, but as I said, not every pack can be amazing. I'm surprised they didn't do any like extended art lands, since they've been doing that in all the most recent sets, but what you gonna do? Island. Oh yeah, this is this one at the beginning when the set came out, people thought, oh, this is gonna break the bank, and it is an interesting card, but I feel it like it's more like an end game sort of thing, or maybe you can use it with some wheeling effect. But yeah, I'll keep an eye on this one. Out of time, we already found one. Trainer, it's pretty good. Oh wow, Godsire, that is amazing from the list. Yeah, this is a great card. Too bad it can't be a commander, but if it could be a commander, it would be even better, even though it costs 8. But yeah, no, pretty good booster pack with 3 rare, 1 mythic rare. Yeah, really can't complain. I think already you can see that even if you have given the fact that you have 30 booster packs in a set booster box, so 6 fewer than a draft booster, you still end up in, I would say, the majority of the cases with more mythics and rares, which are the ones you really care about. Yeah. Interesting. Oh, that's pretty weird. Great, I like this one, even if it's an uncommon. This is a very good card. Not sure about this one, but yeah. They created a card against the like Eldrazi decks or colorless decks. This says it's got actually a few cards like this deck card that says that if no color mana has been spent on a spell, counter the spell, which would pretty much completely destroy any colorless deck. Like this weird art cards, almost retro. So like almost hand colored. Cool. Right, so far, couple of coffers and Scalding Tarn. I think it's time to find another enemy fetch land. Interesting. Interesting as well. Okay, interesting cards. I need to check the value of this too, because it could be interesting. Can't remember. Right. Mana of any color. See, this one can be used in a colorless to counter that counter effect. Glimpse of Tomorrow, Chance Encounter. Okay. This is an interesting one because I've played a few flip a coin decks, especially since that Goblin came out. And yeah, this could be interesting. It's a win condition. Yeah. Let's see. Good. Very good. Very versatile. You can destroy one creature or it becomes a Wrath of God if you overload it. Oh, Braids. Expanding Commander. Interesting though. What a shard. Yeah. Uncommon. The cards, the rares from the list are quite powerful and expensive. Right. I'm not sure why Braids is banned. I mean, it is good, but it's not that good. Ooh, it's very nice. I like this one. Gonna put him in the uncommon section. It's definitely something you can use in a deck. Oh, Dakon. Really good. Really, really good. Got to snipe from the list. Dakan definitely deserves a perfect fixed sleeve. Too bad there's no green in it, otherwise it would have been much more powerful. Pretty cool. Ooh. Full monitor. I think I found it in normal, but with this art, it's quite interesting. On Shredder, we found it. Another one with the retro art. And then, yeah, foot token. This is an art of their car with the complete unintelligible name. Fast and Furious. Nice name. Pardon. Retro. Protection from black and red. Sanctifier and back. Alright. Zuran Orb. Takes me back. Council of Judgment from the list. Yavimaya, Cradle of Growth. This is pretty much the green Herborg. Not as good, but pretty good. Something we found already. Karmic Guide. Nice. Mind Collapse. Oh yeah, that's the one that you use with that guy with the very difficult name to pronounce. Yeah, pretty nice. Okay. Yeah, not bad. Not bad at all. Come on, I want at least another fetch land. Maybe the retro ones. That would be sweet. Very angry looking squirrel. Island. Nice. That's pretty good for 2. Counter spell. Grief. This is quite good. Yeah, Goblin Bombardment is also good. Yeah, so that's another mythic rare. I think we are kind of reaching the quarter, but you never know. There could be more. Let me have a quick look at what we have so far. So far we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, but that one is from the list. I don't think it counts. 6. So 5 of the ones that count, and that's pretty much it. But we still have 13 packs, I think. Yeah, I think it's unlikely we're not going to find another mythic, but we shall see. Ooh, another one rich. 4th uncommon. There we go, Mr. Rainforest. Fetch land. Nyctos Paragon. Very nice. Oh, the boots from the list. I think I just bought one. Yeah, well, now I have another one. It's pretty sweet. I'm gonna put it between the rares. It's quite a good card. Yeah. Let's protect this one. Very nice. Squirrels. Right. Oh, that's very nice. Yeah, I think I'll put it in my colorless deck. That's pretty good. Extruder. Yeah. Yeah, I think this card is gonna be one of the most used ones. Yeah, you can do a lot. You can do a lot in a token deck. Yeah. Yeah, that's pretty good. It'd be fun to find Urza Saga. That'd be good. It's rare. It's not even mythic, so. It's a lot of stuff with the squirrel deck. I think we found one of these already. Voidwalker. Shadow. That's pretty good. This is a very good card. Another Zora Orb. Monoscallion in the classic format. Constable and a food token. This is pretty good. I think this is also worth a little bit. I'm gonna put a sleeve on it just in case. Nice. Like a heuristic study, this one. This is really good. Really pleased with finding this. This is gonna be stable Y in Commander for sure. I think Commander more useful because 4 players. Not sure about Modern, but yeah, Commander definitely. Brainstone. Yeah, this must be fun to draft as well. So yeah, if you actually wanna draft, it's probably a wicked set to play with. I don't draft, so I always go for set boosters. I'd rather get more value and fewer commons. Necrogoyf. Squirrel mob. Oh, love it. I've got the range hermit. Maybe I'm just gonna finally have my squirrel deck. I think I found there was one uncommon here. Yeah, go figure. Very weird composition in this pack. One uncommon. Right, we've got 4, 7. Is there going to be any other fetch land and or another mythic and or Urza Saga? This is good. This is really good. Planeswalker deck. It's really good. Oh, this is awesome. Ignoble Hierarch. Yeah, it's a great find. Seal of Cleansing. Cool. Yeah, plays with this one. Added quite a bit of value. We'll take that. Second one of this one. Oh, another Mr. Rainforest. Yeah, that's fine. I think it's the one. No, I think the Boros one is the one that's worth the least. This one is pretty good. Yeah. Again, like, yeah, I shouldn't be complaining. It's great that I found it. I always get like nostalgic when I find cards from the Urza's block. This is the set that was around when I started playing Magic. Urza Saga. I could have bought a Urza Saga booster box actually. And yeah, now it's worth 15 grand. Yeah, if only. But I was also 13, so didn't have that much financial availability, if you will. If only. Pardon me. That's it. That's the card I was talking about. The Void Mirror. So if no color mana was spent on a spell, you counter that spell, which is pretty much game over for colorless decks. So cards like that land that gives you a mana of any color is quite useful. But I do think that more cards will be needed by the colorless deck not to be completely cast out. However, how many players are going to actually play this card in their main deck just in case they might be facing a colorless deck? Yeah, we'll see. Oh, never the lost disc. Never near old disc. Yeah. Good card, always useful. Whoa. Academy Manufacturer. Foil, pretty good. Good value in this one. I think it deserves paste leave. These two are fine. Like this one. I like this one very much. Another Necrogoyf, Queer Ranger. Planar Chaos. The list is funny. You see cards they haven't seen in a while. Last three. Let's close with a bang. Nice. We found this one already. Not keen on this one. Vicious Factory. Too uncommon in this one. Right. Oh, this one seems fuller. All right. Not much here. Right. Let's go for the last one. Yeah. Okay. Upheaval. I think this is banned. Yeah, this is banned in Commander. There we go. Right. I think this was pretty good. Right, let's have a look on how many rare and mythics I found. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 46 rare, and 6 mythics. Yeah, I think that's pretty good. Like in a draft booster, you'll find 36 between rare and mythics, so let's say 32 rares on average and 4 mythics. If you're unlucky, if you're lucky, maybe 31 rares, 5 mythics. Let's say 1, 2, 3. If you're extremely lucky, foils from not from the list. From the list, just set boosters of foils. You need to be extremely lucky to find 3 rares mythic. So yeah, we did get more value here. So happy. I think in terms of like from the financial point of view, I think we should be at least have broken even, but I just need to calculate. Yeah, but yeah, well, yeah, hope this was fun. It was very fun for me. Yeah, cheers.